In this video, I will show you how to embed a Spotify playlist directly into your Gamma AI presentation. Let's get started. First, I'll open up the presentation I'm working on. I'm selecting the Video AI tool deck and scrolling through the slides to find the perfect spot for some music. I'll click the New button in the left sidebar to add a fresh card where our playlist will live. Now, I'll head over to Spotify to get the Embed code. I'll click the three dots to open the Options menu, go down to Share, and select Embed Playlist. Once the preview window pops up, I'll click the Copy button to save that code to my clipboard. Switching back to Gamma, I'll look at the toolbar on the right side of the screen. I'm clicking on the Embed Apps and Web Pages icon to open up the integration menu. From here, I'll grab the Web Page or App widget and drag it right onto my new card. In the side panel that opens, I'll paste my Spotify code into the field and watch as the player loads onto the slide. Now that the playlist is visible, I can use the top menu to adjust the display, toggling between a link preview or the full interactive embed. I'll keep the embed view active so my audience can browse and play the tracks directly within the presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of embedding a Spotify playlist in Gamma AI.